Hello to our grateful learners. Are you ready with our next video, our next lesson? Okay, so our lesson in this video is about getting the least common multiple. So, this is found on the second quarter of Math 4. So, kailangan kids na alam nyo to na paano kunin ang LCM kasi meron din ito kapag kayo ay nasa grade 5 at saka grade 6. Kaya, ngayon pa lang, dapat alam na ninyo, memoryado na ninyo kung paano kumuha ng LCM ng mga numbers. Okay? So, at the end of this lesson, we are able to find the common multiple and least common multiple or LCM of numbers using listing method, prime factorization, and continuous division. So, yan ang dapat nating matutunan kapag matapos nyong panoorin ang video na ito. So, we have three ways in finding least common multiple or LCM. So, the first one, we have listing method. The second one, we have prime factorization. And the last one, we have continuous division. Kapag mapansin nyo kids, pareho lang ito sa pagkuha ng GCF on how to find the GCF of numbers. So, magkapareho sila ng pangalan pero magkaiba kung paano kunin natin yung sagot. So, as you go on with this video, you can differentiate what is the difference between the LCM and GCF. Okay. So, we have here an example on how to get listing method, on how to get the answer using the listing method. So, we have here an example. We have 6 and 9. So, ang gawin natin, ilista natin yung number, kagaya ng 6. So, what are the multiples of 6? So, we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60. So, ang ginawa lang natin is, pinag-multiply lang natin yung 6, yung 6 times 1, 6 times 2, 6 times 3, and so on. Para makita natin yung multiples ng mga numbers. So, kids, you need to memorize or dapat memoryado ninyo yung multiplication table ninyo. Para pagkita pa lang ninyo yung number, alam na ninyo kung ano yung LCM ng numbers. Para hindi nyo na dapat ilista lahat yung multiples nila. So, how about 9? So, we have also 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, and 90. So, hanggang table of 10 tayo nag-stop. So, after that, we're going to list down all the common multiples of 6 and 9. So, ang common multiple natin dyan is we have 18, tapos meron din si 36, and meron din si 54. So, alin dyan ang pinakamaliit? Yung least. Ang ibig sabihin ng least, yung pinakamaliit. So, yung pinakamaliit dyan sa 18, 36, and 54 is 18. So, ang LCM natin sa 6 and 9 is 18. Ganon siya. So, kapag, sabi ko nga kanina, kapag memorize nyo na yung multiplication table ninyo, pagkita nyo pa lang sa number, ay alam nyo na kung ano yung, ma-imagine nyo na kung ano yung least common multiple nila. Okay? So, required kids na kailangang alam nyo, memoryado ninyo ang inyong multiplication table. So, ganyan yung listing method. And we have also an example of prime factorization. So, in prime factorization, ganun din, lista natin yung number. So, 6. And mag-isip ng number na kapag i-multiply, ay lalabas si 6. So, we have 3 and 2. And 3 and 2 are example of prime numbers. How about 9? So, we have 3 and 3. 3 and 3 are example also of prime numbers. So, ilista natin yung mga common prime number ng 6 and 9. So, we have yung 6, 3 times 2, and then yung 9 is 3 times 3. So, ano nang susunod dyan na gawin natin? So, tingnan natin yung number na magkapareho, both 6 and 9. So, ano dyan yung magkaparehong number? So, 3 is both found in 6 and 9. So, i-slash natin yan. Tapos, kopyahin natin si 2 and 3. 3 times 2 is equals to 6 times 3 is equals to 18. So, our LCM is 18. O, ganun din, diba, sa may listing method? Tingnan nga natin din sa continuous division kapag lalabas ang 18 na sagot. Okay? Okay, so we have there the continuous division. We have 6 and 9. So, sa 6 and 9, mag-isip ng number na divisible by 6 and 9. So, we have there 3. And then, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then, 9 divided by 3 is 3. Tapos, kopyahin natin yung nasa left at saka yung mga numbers na walang underline, na walang linya. So, our LCM is 18. We have there the 3 times 2 times 3. O, diba? Lumabas din si 18 na sagot. Okay. Meron akong papakita sa inyo. We have here 3 tables. We have the listing method kung saan makikita natin yung pagkakaparehuan nila ng sagot na you're using 3 ways pero iisa yung lalabas na sagot. So, we have here the listing method. Ililista lang natin si 6 and 9. So, si 6, meron tayong ang multiples niya ay 6, 12, 18, and 24. Si 9, meron din tayong 9 and 18. So, stop na tayo dun kapag na-reach na natin yung number na meron ding number sa taas, magkapareho sila. So, si 18, nag-stop na tayo kay 18 kasi meron din tayong 18 sa taas. So, stop na. So, automatic na yan na yung LCM natin. How about prime factorization? So, ilista natin si 6. Hanapin yung prime numbers na multiply natin kay 6. So, we have 3 and 2. Okay na yan. Tapos, how about 9? We have 3 and 3. Ayan. So, si 6, 3 and 2. Si 9, 3 and 3. And then, slash. Yan. So, ang gawin natin dyan susunod, ililista natin yung magkapareho. So, tapos yung mga remaining numbers na walang partner ay kopyahin lang natin. So, 3 times 2 is 6 times 3 is 18. O, diba? Pareho lang din sa listing method. And then, kay continuous division, so we have there 6 and 9. So, mag-isip ng number na divisible by 6 and 9. We have 3. So, 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Then, multiply the numbers. So, 3 times 2 times 3 is equals to 18. So, our LCM in 6 and 9 is 18. Okay, did you get it right? Wow, very good. So, kahit anong gamitin ninyong paraan sa pagkuha ng LCM, ay hahantong kayo sa iisang sagot. Basta sundin nyo lang yung tamang step, tamang proseso, hindi kayo mawawala. So, that is about the listing method, prime factorization, and continuous division. So, we're going to have an activity on how to get the LCM of numbers, finding the least common multiple of numbers. So, kapag nag-start na yung time, mayroon kayong makikitang colors sa baba. So, I'm giving you 20 seconds to answer, to find the LCM. And then, after that, let's check your answer. So, are you ready, kids? Okay, very good. So, you're going to find the least common multiple of 5 and 8. So, you prepare now your ballpen and paper, and then start finding the least common multiple of 5 and 8 in 20 seconds. Okay, Start now, kids. Okay, stop. So what do you think is the LCM of 5 and 8? So we have here the 3 tables. So in listing method, you're going to list down the multiple of 5 and 8. So in 5, we have there the 5, 10, 15, up to 45. And how about 8? We have 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. So ano kaya dyan ang ating least common multiple? So, we have 40. Ayan. Pero kapag memoryado nyo na kasi kids ang inyong multiplication table, tingin nyo pa lang sa 5 and 8, alam nyo na. So, need sa inyo kids na alam ninyo yung multiplication table nyo. So, how about prime factorization? So, ilagay natin dyan yung 5. Mag-isip ng number that when you multiplied, the product is 5. So, we have 5 times 1. Yan lang. Yan lang yung factor ng 5. And 5 is an example of prime number. And then, how about si 8? So, isulat si 8. Mag-isip ng number multiplied by, you're going to multiply, and the product is 8. So, we have 4 and 2. So, 2 is an example of prime. Si 4 na lang ang hanapan ng factors. So, we have 2 and 2. So, ngayon, ilista na naman na yung common multiple ng 5 and 8. And then, yan. So, 5 times 1. Si 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. Kapag tingnan nyo kids, wala tayong i-slash dyan. Kasi walang number na magkapareho si 8 and 5. So, ang gawin natin dyan, ay multiply natin lahat sila. So, 5 times 2 is 10. Times 2 is 20. And then times 2 is 40. Si 1, huwag na lang natin isali doon sa mga susulat natin na sa baba. Kasi, kapag i-multiply naman natin si 1 to other number, is we call that as identity. Diba? Identity property, kaya pareho lang din. Walang maiiba sa sagot. So, that is about an example of prime factorization. And the next one, we have continuous division. We have there the 5 and 8. So, wala tayong maiisip na number that is both divisible by 5 and 8. So, kids, dapat alam nyo isa o dalawang paraan sa pagkuha ng LCM. Kasi meron kasing mga numbers kagaya ng example ng 5 and 8, hindi pwede sa continuous division. Kasi wala silang number na pwedeng i-divide sa kanila na walang maging remainder. O, kaya stop na tayo kay listing method and prime factorization. So, sa 5 and 8, our LCM there is 40. Ganon. Okay? Did you get it right, kids? Did you get 40 as your answer? Okay, very good. So, let's have another one. Find the least common multiple of 10 and 15. In 20 seconds, you are done answering. Okay? Let's start. Okay, stop. So, what might be the least common multiple of 10 and 15? So, we have here. So, using listing method, the multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40. How about 15? So, we have 15, 30. So, anong number meron sa 10 at saka sa 15? So, we have 30. So, that will be our LCM now in 10 and 15. Kapag ang iba naman sa inyo ay gumamit ng prime factorization, tingnan natin. So, listan natin si 10. When you multiply 5 and 2, the product is 10. And how about 15? So we have 5 and 3. So ang gawin dyan, so 5 times 2 times 3 is equals to 30. Ayun. So that is prime factorization. How about continuous division? So sa continuous division is listan natin si 10 and 15. You think of a number that is divisible by 10 and 15. So we have 5. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. Then 15 divided by 5 is 3. And then you're going to multiply all the numbers that was yung may color na red. So we have 5 times 2 is 10 times 3 is 30. Okay? Okay, so let's have another one. So you're going to find the least common multiple of 12 and 60. So, in 20 seconds again, kids, you will be done in finding the LCM of 12 and 60. Okay? So, start. Okay, stop. Okay, stop. So, we're going again to find the common multiple of 12 and 60 using listing method. So, si 12, listan natin. So, 12, 24, 36, 48, then 60. Ayan yung mga multiples ng 12. How about 60? So, start tayo kay 60. O, ayan na. So, our LCM there is 60. Sino naman sa inyo gumamit ng prime factorization? Tignan natin kung nakuha nyo yung tamang sagot. So, 12. So, the factors of 12 are 2 and 6. How about 6? We have 3 and 2. Ayan. Paano naman si 60? Ano yung mga factors ng 60? 60. So, we have there 30 and 2. So, si 30, hanapan na naman natin yung mga factors niya. So, 30 is 15 and 2. And then, meron pa si 15. So, 5 and 3. So, dyan, ano naman yung mga magkakapareho? So, yung 12. So, we have 2, 3, 2. Si 60, meron si 2, 3, 2, 5. Then, slash, 2, slash 3, slash 2. Then, times 5 equals 60. Yan, 2 times 3 is 6, times 2 is 12, times 5 is 60. Okay? O, sino naman sa inyo ang gumamit ng continuous division? Tingnan nyo sa inyong mga sagot. So, ilista natin si 12 and 60. So, you think of a number divisible by 12 and 60? We have 6. So, 12 divided by 6 is 2. 60 divided by 6 is 10. And then, we're going again to divide. To think of a number that is divisible by 2 and 10. So, we have 2. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then, 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then, multiply all the red numbers, yung may kulay na red. So, 6 times 2 is 12. Times 1 is 12. Times 5 is 60. So, our LCM is 60. O, diba? Dali no, kids. Yan. And let's have another one. So, find the least common multiple of, yan, tatlo na ito, 3, 6, and 9. Okay? So, start finding, kids. Okay, stop. So, what is the LCM of 3, 6, and 9? So, we have here listing method. So, we have the 3. So, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. How about 6? We have 6, 12, 18. How about 9? We have 9 and 18. So, our LCM is 18. How about in prime factorization? So, we have 3. So, the factors of 3 is 3 and 1. And then, how about 6? So, we have 3 and 2. And then how about 9? We have 3 and 3. And then you multiply those things. So our LCM now is 18. And how about continuous division? So we have there 3, 6, and 9. So that is divisible by 3. So you divide 3 and 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. So when you multiply them, so 3 times 1 is 3, times 2 is 6, times 3 is 18. So our LCM is 18. Okay, so and we have the last one. Find the least common multiple of 4, 6, and 8. Okay, start kids finding the LCM of 4, 6, and 8. Okay, stop. So what might be the LCM of 4 and 6? 4, 6, and 8. Okay, let's see. So we have there the listing method. So we have there the 4. So we have the 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. How about 6? So we have 6, 12, 18, 24. How about 8? So we have 8, 16, 24. So our LCM here is 24. How about in prime factorization? So we have there the 4. So 2 times 2 is 4. How about 6? We have 3 times 2 is 6. How about 8? We have 2 times 4. And then the 2 times 2. So we have there the 4, 6, 8. So we're going to slash yung mga numbers na mayroon sa kanila, sa bawat isa sa kanila. So we have there the 2. And then we're going to multiply the remaining. Yan. So our LCM is 24. So that is about the finding the least common multiple. We have the 3 ways in finding the LCM: listing method, prime factorization, and continuous division. So, madali ba sa inyo kids? Hindi ba kayo nahirapan? So, hoping na itong video natin ito ay nakatulong sa inyo kung paano kumuha ng LCM. Kapag hindi ninyo masyadong naintindihan, you can go back on our video and watch it again. Kasi kailangan kids na alam ninyo kung paano kunin ang LCM, kasi kapag pupunta na tayo sa fraction, in adding fraction, subtracting fraction, ay kailangan alam nyo ang mga LCM ng bawat number para hindi kayo mahirapan. Okay? So, thank you kids sa panonood sa ating video, and till next time again. Thank you. Bye. Keep safe everyone.